Hey guys, Forex from BK Forex. Welcome to our Forex Daily Technicals for 8/7/13. Will cable crack 154? As always, trading Forex or margin carries a high level of risk and not suitable for all investors. I ask you to read this disclaimer very carefully to understand all the risks associated with your margin. Seek advice from a financial advisor if you have any doubts. Well, the big story tonight going into the European session is going to be UK because of the speech from Mark Carney. That's going to establish his bona fides as to whether he's a dove or a hawk. Cable has gotten rejected several times at the 54 level. We sort of petered out here at 96, then 80, and just seem to be distributing here on an hourly basis. This is a very, very key level. If we can take this out, you can look at this on a daily basis. If you can take this out right around here, if you can just sort of penetrate through the 54.20 level, it opens up the path all the way to 55 first, and then of course all the way up to 57 on the yearly highs. If we start to flame out here, and certainly on the dailies this kind of looks negative because we touched 54 and ended on the lows, but too early to tell. If it does start to flame out, if we start to come back down and he posits sort of a more dovish structure, then you're looking right back towards 52 as a potential hold. 52.50 first of all is the potential hold, then after that probably 52. And then a full unwind take us all the way out to 51, which would be a very, very heartbreaking move for the bulls because it would just unwind all of this rally that we had over the last 3 or 4 days. Euro, still the same story. 32.33, stalling at 32, just cannot break it. Took out 33.20s today, but can't take it out. The key level here is 33.50. We can take that out. That opens us up all the way out to 34 for a double top test here of the yearly highs. But until we can get that done, it does look a little bit better on the dailies, obviously, because it ended up above 33s. So that's a modicum of hope here. And as long as we can hold 33s, we may be able to push through the highs. But until that happens, it's just kind of very, very problematic as far as the trade goes. Then dollar yen already starting to slide in. Sorry, let me just get dollar yen here. Already starting to slide in Asia. We already made fresh lows in Asia. It came back up. But you notice every single day we're making fresh lows towards the new figure. Yesterday was the 98s. Today it's the 97s. Kind of got tested back. We bought it back up after a pretty severe sell-off. But still shows, I think, weakness, continuous weakness as we kind of distribute, all the way out here. Ever since the NFPs, it's been a bit disappointing trade, mainly because U.S. yields are going down. 97 is a key hold. We need to hold this 97. 97.50 was a hold. We broke it. A lot of stop orders got filled there. 97 now starts to consolidate, but if that starts to get given, we're looking at 96, just a complete drift all the way to the initial lows we set up right around here. So negative structure, still making lower highs, and just on the verge of possibly breaking down. This 97 is a decent support level, and this is the only thing that may be holding it up for the time being. And then lastly, Aussie, just consolidating around 89. Still looks relatively constructive. Looks like we did make the bottoms here 2 days ago. But here we need to take out and close above 90. We really need to just hold 90, close above it. That opens up the path for retrace all the way up to 91, 50, 92s. Until we can close 90, it's still an open question as to whether Aussie is truly totally bottomed. That's how the night shapes up. I wish you guys the best of luck, the best of trading. This is Boris Schlossberg from BK Forex. Over and out.